Good morning everyone. Welcome to grade 5 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? We have learned how to add and subtract decimal numbers. Today, let's learn how we can multiply a decimal number by a whole number. Let's see what are the steps involved. The first step to multiply a decimal number by a whole number is to just ignore the decimal point and multiply the digits. Then, after the multiplication, you have to place the decimal point in the answer so that it has the same number of digits after the decimal point as given in the decimal number. Let's make that clear with an example. Multiply 45.17 into 6. The first step is to multiply the given numbers, the decimal number and the whole number, ignoring the decimal point. So let's do the multiplication now. Where do we start? We start multiplying the ones first. So here we are going to multiply this 6 ones by this 7 100s. So just ignore the decimal point and do the multiplication. So let's do 6 times 7, or 6 into 7 is equal to 42. We write the 2 here and carry over the 4 to the next place. Then 6 into 2. 6 into 2 is equal to 12 plus this 4, 16. Let's write that 16, that 6 here and carry over 1 to the next place. Then do 6 into 5, which is equal to 30 plus 1, 31. We write that 1 here and carry over 3 to the next place. Then 6 into 4, 24 plus this 3, which is equal to 27. So right now we got 27162. Now let's put the decimal point. Before that, let's see how many digits are there after the decimal point in the given decimal number. Which is the decimal number here? 45.27. How many digits are there after the decimal point here? 1, 2. So we have to count 2 places from the right to the left in the answer and then put the decimal point. So here there are 2 decimal places. So let's count 2 places from right to left. That is 1, 2. Then put the decimal point there. So this is the answer. This is the product of this multiplication. So 45.27 into 6 will give you the product 271.62. Hope this is clear to you. Now let's see one more example. Multiply 0.0005 by 8. How we can do this? Either you can just ignore the decimal point and continue with the multiplication, or you can just do 5 times 8. And what is 5 times 8? 5 into 8 is equal to 40. And where do we place the decimal point? See, in the given decimal number, there are 4 digits after the decimal point. After the decimal point, 1, 2, 3, 4. But when you do 5 times 8, you have only 2 digits. Now how we are going to balance this? We have the number 40 here. We have to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 places from the right to the left to put the decimal point. So let's start counting. 1, 2. We need 2 more places. For that, we can add zeros to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then put the decimal point. So our answer will be 0.0040 or 0.0040. And when we learn to convert an unlike decimal to a like decimal, we added zeros to the right end of the decimal number, which never changed the value of the given decimal number. So similarly, in the decimal number 0.0040, you can see there is 1 zero at the right end. Ignoring that 0 will not make any change to this decimal number. So you can either write 0.0040 or 0.004. Now I hope you are clear with this. Now let's do one activity. All of you, please take your maths notebook, put today's date. You can write the heading multiplication of a decimal number by a whole number. Then please do take down these two questions in your notebook. You can pause the video, take down the questions, work them out and come back. Hope you are done with the questions. Now let's discuss each question one by one. The first question, 7.891 into 12. What is the product? Let's do the multiplication. Let's multiply the given numbers ignoring the decimal point first. So 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 9, 18. We write the 8 here. Carry over 1 to the next place. 2 into 8 is 16 plus this one 17. We write the 7 here. Carry over 1 to the next place. Then 2 into 7, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. We write that here. Now there is one more digit in the multiplier. So 1 into 1, which is 1. 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 8, 8. 1 into 7, 7. Then inserting a 0 to correct the columns. Now let's add the products. 2 plus 0, 2. 8 plus 1, 9. 7 plus 9, 16. A carry over 1. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 1, 14. A carry over 1 to the next place. 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. So we got the product 9, 4, 6, 9, 2. Now we have to put the decimal point. For that, let's count the number of digits after the decimal point in the given decimal number. So we are given the decimal number 7.891 and there are 1, 2, 3 digits after the decimal point. So let's count 3 places from right to the left in the given or in the product obtained. So 1, 2, 3. Put the decimal point here. So what is the product? The answer to this question, 7.891 into 12 is equal to 94.692. I hope you got the answer correct. Now the next question, 42.12 into 16. Let's do the multiplication. 6 into 2, it's 12. A carry over 1. 6 into 1, 6. Plus 1, 7. 6 into 2, 12. A carry over to the next place. 6 into 4, 24. Plus 1, 25. Now there is one more digit in the multiplier, the tens digit. So 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 into 4, 4. Inserting 0. Now adding the products, we get 2 plus 0, 2. 7 plus 2, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 4, 6. Now let's count the number of digits after the decimal point. It is 1, 2. So count 2 places from right to left. 1, 2. So put the decimal point there. What is the product? 42.12 into 16 is equal to 673.92. I hope you got this one also correct. Now you can go through the topic multiplication of decimals by a whole number in page number 90 of your textbook. Please go through that topic once again. Then move on to exercise 5.5 in page number 92. You have to complete the questions. Question number 1K to 1P, and also there are 2 word problems given there. The question numbers 2 and 3. You can complete the questions in your notebook, take a picture and then send us through Teams. So that's all for today, children. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Until then, bye.